The Netherlands is known for its high-quality goat milk, which forms the basis of Kabrita infant formula. This goat milk comes from over 50 goat milk farmers who have committed themselves to Qualigoat, a chain quality assurance system of the Dutch Goat Dairy Association. This private law qualification system is set up by goat milk collectors and processors and aims to guarantee quality, hygiene and welfare on all goat farms. So by following the Qualigoat standards, we can assure the best foundation for our most precious little ones. But what does this mean on a daily basis? Qualigoat focuses on 6 main topics that together enhance all farm activities. Healthy livestock is essential for a healthy farm. First of all, the farm needs to be neat and tidy. This does not only count for the actual farm, but also for the farmer, the stalls, and all visitors. Due to the Dutch climate, our goats need a warm and dry stable. We make sure that their stall is specially designed for all their needs at every age. In addition, every farm needs to have a separate space for goats that are sick or need treatment, in order to keep the rest of the herd healthy and to make individual treatment possible. All milking goats have a balanced diet in order to be able to give the best quality goat milk. Therefore, we make sure we use the best quality of food and that all the goats always have access to clean tap or spring water. This type of water must also be used for cleaning and rinsing. The milking process is one of the most important steps when it comes to safety and hygiene. It starts with the milking of the goats and ends when the milk arrives at one of our production facilities. To begin with, the milking cellar needs to be checked and cleaned at every shift. Then, during the milking process, the fresh milk is directly transported to a milking tank, which is placed in a clean and dry space right next to the milking cellar. Here, the milk is immediately cooled to a maximum of 4 degrees Celsius. In case there are any sick goats, they need to be milked as well. In order to avoid their milk from being processed, they are milked separately. Depending on the number of goats per farm, the milk collecting service collects the milk every 2 or 3 days in order to transport it to one of our production facilities. But before that, they also run an extra check on the milk concerning the right levels of, for example, pH and fat and the absence of antibiotics. These results are immediately sent by satellite to our independent laboratory, QLIP, which ensures that the fresh milk will be quickly processed. All Kabrita farms are obligated to have their own individual treatment plan, which must be designed in strict collaboration with a qualified veterinarian. Important highlights of every treatment policy are that no hormones are used. Also, the use of antibiotics is only allowed when specifically needed. Of course, the milk of treated goats is separated until the goat and the milk are free of medicines again. Sometimes specific medicines need to be available on the farm. This is only allowed under the right storage conditions for each specific medicine. To ensure the continuous maintenance of the Qualigoat program, the independent laboratory QLIP runs both announced and unannounced farm assessments. During these assessments, the daily farm activities are checked, but also remote administrative checks can be done. Together, we make sure that all farm activities meet the Qualigoat standards and that Kabrita is made from the very best Dutch goat milk possible. Want to know more? Go to kabrita.com.